At Grandma and Grandpa's house, we're going picking.
Okay, hold Grandpa's hand. This is the hill. Yeah, that's not a big hill, but it's a little hill.
We're going to the raspberry bush.
We're going to get some berries?
Yes.
All right, let's see what we can pick here. Let's see what's ready. That's ready. That's ready. That's ready. Oops, that broke. That's ready. Oh, here's a beauty. Look at this one. Wow.
Broken.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's beautiful.
Michaela, don't pick the ones that aren't ready yet.
Yeah, those aren't ready. That's for Wednesday you come. They'll be ready. Here, this is what we got today. Okay, we go wash them. Come, we go Grandma wash them. Yeah, mosquitoes today.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, Mommy.
Get up. They're coming to me.
They're coming. Today they're coming to me too. Usually they don't come to me.